Yesterday, Biden, the President of the United States, fell off the bike. What if he dies during his term? Who will replace him? After all, he is the oldest of all U.S. presidents at the age of 78, and he had a lot of confused appearance. If President Biden dies while in office, his Vice President Kamala Harris will succeed according to the 20th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. Harris, 57 years old, a Harvard and University of California law graduate, a former district attorney. In the history of the United States, there were 4 presidents who died of illness while in office, and 4 others who were assassinated. 2 of them that we are more familiar with, Lincoln and Kennedy, and they were all replaced by the Vice President.
Who is the next if both gone too?
If President Joe Biden and the Vice President Harris die at the same time, current House Speaker Nancy Pelosi will become acting president. At 82 years old, she is 3 years older than Biden.
Who is the next if she is gone too?
In her absence, Senate President pro tempore Patrick Leahy will take over.
And who is the next if he is gone too?
FBI!